Infinite Void Pure Data Tutorial by Infinite Void. In this video, let's discuss the Bang Atom Box. The Bang Atom Box is a GUI object. Bang functions as a tool that sends a bang message when activated via clicks or messages that have been sent to its inlet. Bang activates an action when it is being banged. To add a bang, you can press onto the keys Ctrl+Shift+B or go to the Put menu and click on Bang. Bang is actioned when you click on a bang or triggered by messages sent to bang. It turns black when clicked, meaning it was triggered, and now the message has been activated. Trigger bang bang. Another way to write this is TBB. The trigger object outputs its input from right to left rather than left to right. So remember, its order is right to left. Its order of execution is strictly timed by the trigger object. The print object takes any message and prints it to the console window. When the print object receives a message, its output will appear in the console window, following the name of the print object and a colon. If the print object does not have a name, which you can supply as an argument within the print object itself, then the word print appears followed by a colon and your message. As you can see, when I click on bang in the console window, the first bang to be triggered was in the right inlet, and the second bang that was triggered was in the left inlet. That's what I was talking about when I said the triggers order is from right to left. Load bang means to start or initialize a process when the patch is opened or loaded. When you open a ready-made PD file for the first time, anything connected to load bang will be initialized on the start of the load of the patch. It's like automating the patch so you don't need to click it every time when opening a ready-made patch, saving you time. The best way to represent load bang, for example, I'll use a toggle. Toggle is turned off when there is no X. Firstly, I will save this patch and then close it and then open it. When I open the patch, you will see it loads with an X because load bang executes the toggle to be turned on when the patch initializes. In this example, load bang was used simply to start a process automatically when the patch was loaded. Using load bang is one of the best practices in PD. As previously mentioned in another video, I have a digital online book on the software Pure Data. You can find the link to the website below in the description box. This book is updated on the go. The update will be made when a Pure Data tutorial video is published onto my YouTube channel. You can find a link to the code in the description box. I upload my code to GitHub. I believe it's important to make your code available so that others can learn from your code. This is why I often share and upload my code to GitHub, so it can help others grow. Thanks for watching!